If you want non-emergency medical assistance from a virtual health experts, go to howtogetridofhealthissues.com/mobile doctor. They have a team of mobile doctors is standing by around the clock so you can stop any health issue quickly and effectively. Welcome to the Apothecary Forensic Archive. Today we are deconstructing a specific herbal blend that the wellness industry often keeps at a surface level. The elixir of honey, ginger, clove, and rosemary. On the surface, it's a soothing tea. Beneath, it's a high-stakes molecular powerhouse. We're going deeper than just health. We're looking at the forensic data almost everyone misses. This blend holds secrets that could redefine your metabolic and aesthetic health. But if misused, it poses risks you've never been told. Let's open the file. First, the catalyst, ginger. Most people associate it with simple nausea relief, but for the fitness enthusiast, its true power lies in thermogenesis. Gingerols and shogols don't just feel warm, they trigger a core temperature increase, stimulating your metabolic rate to burn more calories even when you're completely at rest. Here is a detail missed by most. Dried ginger is higher in shogols, which are more potent for heat production, while fresh ginger is richer in gingerols for digestion. Choose your weapon wisely. For those seeking fitness recovery, the forensic data shows ginger's ability to inhibit pro-inflammatory cytokines, acting like a natural post-workout reset. But here's the controversy. Exceeding 4 grams a day can flip this benefit into severe heartburn and stomach cramps. It is a very thin line. Next, the most underestimated ingredient, the clove. It holds one of the highest antioxidant capacities on the planet, far exceeding most superfoods. The secret molecular agent here is eugenol. It stabilizes insulin levels, effectively preventing the glucose spikes that force your body into fat storage mode. Holistic health experts also use it for oral hygiene. It disrupts biofilms, meaning this tea helps maintain your health starting right from the mouth. As an internal cosmetic, cloves fight the free radicals that degrade collagen. It's beauty from the inside out, addressing wrinkles before they even surface. But the Forensic Archive warns, clove oil is a potent blood thinner. If you are on anticoagulants or scheduled for surgery, this healthy tea becomes a major bleeding risk. Now rosemary, the neuroprotective agent. Its primary compound, eucalyptol, has been shown to improve cognitive speed and accuracy for high performers. In hormone health, rosemary acts as a traffic controller. It detoxifies estrogen through the safe 2-OH pathway, potentially protecting against cysts and fibroids. For natural beauty seekers, it's a DHT blocker. It prevents the follicle shrinking that causes thinning hair, a natural alternative to clinical treatments. The tingle you feel from a rosemary rinse is microcirculation at work. It mechanically restarts the growth cycle at the scalp level. But warning, rosemary is a known abortifacient and can trigger seizures in sensitive individuals. It is strictly forbidden for expectant mothers and those with epilepsy. Then there is honey, not just a sweetener but a synergistic carrier. It acts as a delivery system, carrying these compounds deeper into your tissues. The enzyme glucose oxidase in raw honey produces low levels of hydrogen peroxide, providing a natural preservative and antimicrobial layer to the tea. Despite the calories, the forensic data suggest honey can actually increase fat oxidation compared to refined sugars. It's the sugar paradox. Quality matters. Manuka honey offers superior antimicrobial data.
Sometime there is a simple way on how to relieve or get a treatment for the problem. Naturally from an ebook, How to Get Rid of Health Issues, Quickly Without Medication. It's the step-by-step guide you can use right from your kitchen to reclaim your health naturally by someone who's been there. If you're tired of being told medication is your only option, this could change everything for you. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself while you sleep when you give it the right ingredient. That is available at local grocery store, or you can order them online. Visit howtogetridofhealthissues.com to get your step-by-step guide today.
So if you are waiting for the perfect time to seize this opportunity, the time is now.
Are you fed up with carrying the burden of a house you can't afford? Tired of being a landlord? House needs too many repairs? Going through foreclosure? Facing divorce? Income or job loss? Medical bills? Relocation? Inherited an unwanted house? Tired of paying taxes on a vacant house? No matter the reason, condition, or price, we buy houses as is.
WeBuyHousesCashOrTerm.com is your real estate housing consultant when you need to sell your house fast, as is condition, to a cash home buyer and get peace of mind.
While raw local wildflower honey provides the bioavailability needed for stress relief, this is the most critical forensic fact. Never give honey to an infant under 12 months. The risk of botulism is absolute, regardless of its health benefits. Now the brewing ritual. To preserve delicate compounds like eucalyptol, never use boiling water. Aim for 70 degrees Celsius to avoid scalding the nutrients. Don't just steep, crush. Breaking the cellular walls of the cloves and ginger before brewing increases the molecular yield by up to 300%. When these four interact, they create a molecular synergy. The honey increases the absorption of the gingerols, while the rosemary protects the clove's antioxidants. For fitness, drink it 30 minutes pre-workout for the thermogenic boost, or post-workout to manage cortisol and jumpstart recovery. Timing is data. For beauty, use the 20-80th rule, 80% internal consumption to rebuild from the blood, 20% external rinse to stimulate the follicles directly. For stress relief, it's not just about the taste. The inhalation of rosemary's aromatic compounds has been clinically shown to lower salivary cortisol levels. This is your right to repair your own body. By using forensic-grade herbalism, you're taking over the maintenance of your biological assets. Remember the archive's core rule. Natural does not mean safe. It means bioactive. Respect the dosage and you respect your results. The optimal formula: 2 grams of ginger, 3 whole cloves, 1 small rosemary sprig, and a teaspoon of raw honey, steeped for exactly 7 minutes. This is the elixir that bridges the gap between ancient ritual and modern forensic science, aesthetic beauty and internal wellness. Decoded. We've covered the thermogenic heat, the hormonal traffic control, the anti-aging cosmetic power, and the critical biochemical risks. Knowledge is the first step. You now have the forensic data. If you're ready to master your holistic wellness with science, subscribe and join our exclusive research circle today. Your health habit starts with an informed choice. Until next turn in the archive, stay curious and stay safe.
Remember, your health is your wealth. Take care of it now, so it can take of you later. As Daily Health Habit Adjuster, make it simple as
your wish is my command.